Hi, how you doing? So today we're going to make this beautiful egg dish, really simple, with green beans and tomatoes. Absolutely delicious and very simple to make. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So we've got 4 eggs, 2 tomatoes, try and use a nice ripe juicy tomato, 2 cups of the green beans which I've cut really small, 2 teaspoons of cumin powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1 cup of onion and 1 tablespoon of garlic. So I've got some oil here, maybe 1 or 2 centimeters of oil, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to first drop in our green beans because I want to fry them off first before we get them in with the other ingredients. Now I'm using a sunflower oil. You could be using a different oil if you want. Just going to throw these around in some hot oil for about 4 to 5 minutes. Then I'm going to take them out and reduce the oil down by 90%. Okay, you can see the beans have been fried like that. So I'm going to drain that off, come back with just a little tiny amount of oil. So I've probably got 2 or 3 tablespoons of oil there now. In goes 1 cup of the onion, 1 tablespoon of garlic, salt and black pepper here. Nice double pinch of black pepper for me. And we're on an above medium heat. I'll be back just in 3 minutes. Fabulous. Now we're going to add in that couple of tomatoes. I mean, these were quite big tomatoes, I have to say. But what's important is they're nice and ripe. 2 teaspoons coriander, 2 of cumin. Stay on this above medium heat. We want to cook this for about 5 minutes now. And what we're looking for is to break the tomatoes down, and they will give off a certain amount of moisture. It depends how ripe your tomatoes are. You can see that those tomatoes have broken down really nicely. Now we're going to drop back in the green beans that we just fried. And then I've got 4 eggs here beaten. In that goes. And we're going to cook this, well, depending on how you like your eggs. I like mine fairly well done. It's probably going to take about another 3 or 4 minutes. Really, really lovely. Okay, and that's it. Beautiful. You can have that with some nice bread, crusty bread, or some toast or something. If you wanted some fresh chili in there, might be nice if you're that way inclined. That's simple, that's easy. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe and keep well, everyone. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. I'm cooking away like non-stop. As you can see, I've got some lovely food right in front of me here. We're just about to start our cookbook. We're doing our cookbook at the moment, which is going to take a long time to come out. I know a lot of you have been asking for it, but yeah, it's going to take a while, lots to do. But yeah, cooking away. Chef June is working really hard on the channel as well, doing his Filipino food in Tagalog. Rahel's got her own channel now doing the Ethiopian food, which is marvelous. It is in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia, but check it out because she really, really is fantastic. I'm doing good. I hope you're doing great. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. There's social media knocking about, Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff if you want to check it out. But that's it. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.